YouTube, is this thing working? Huh? Oh, you can hear me? Oh, okay, okay. Well, guess what? I promise you I have an unboxing video of the Galaxy Note 10 regular size, and I'm here to deliver. But before I do that, I do have a couple cases. One, Spinagen kickstand, if I said it correctly. Might rock with it, not too sure. Evo Check, pretty good as far as durability. I've had them in before with my other devices, Tech 21. We're gonna see which one looks the best for the best amount of protection without sacrificing style. Everything pretty much in the box, usual stuff. Plain simple, got the stylus on it, and then the phone. Never been used, never been turned on. You're the first to see it. I'm gonna rock with it for a few days, see the things I like about it, see how it adds up to my Note 10. My Note 9. Note 9 right here on deck. Lot smaller, a lot better in the hand off of the top. Just so you can see a comparison without me dropping the phone. It's about like that. Camera setup, of course, is different, as you can see. Definitely got to upgrade with the camera. It's some things that are actually an upgrade, what you would expect from the next year's model, but there's also some things that are not upgrades. One of the things that you will see that's not an upgrade, as I talked about before, is if you look at the bottom of here, what do you see that's not here? Wow, you're right. No headphone jack. Not a big deal for me. I said it before. There's mid-range devices out there with a headphone jack. Technology moves, technology grows, everything grows. I equated it to a relationship. So you grow or you die. It is what it is. Everything is Bluetooth now. Get with it. If you haven't gotten on board, I will be reviewing some earbuds. But right now, my personal favorites are the Jabra. I don't know the model numbers off the top of my head, but they're the ones that's like $189 unless you catch them on sale. Then I got the Galaxy Buds by Samsung, $129. The biggest difference I see, the Buds feel probably better than any other earpiece wireless bud that I've had in my ear before, but the quality of the call is different. People can't hear me as well in noisy surroundings. With the Jabras, don't have those issues. So pretty much what I do is when I'm in the real world day to day out there, I use the Jabras, but then when I hit the gym, when I'm going beast mode, I'm like, got the Galaxy Buds in there. The music is good, they stay in my ear. Bench pressing, I don't care if I'm doing squats, I don't care if I'm doing pull-ups, whatever it is, they don't fall out and they sound pretty good and customizable. But I want to keep this video really short. I want to save a more lengthy video for the review of the Galaxy Note regular size, aka Galaxy Note Pad. But yeah, and one last thing. Got a trick question for you. What makes a note a note? That's right. S Pen. All about the S Pen. Whoop. And it's powered on, so you know what that means. E-Jizzle gotta go. I gotta get in this. I gotta get in this and see if I like it. But if not, then I'm gonna get back in this. All right, well guess what? I'll get with you.